Citrus Grove designer home sites begin south of the St. Catherine area. Continuing with the nature trend throughout the villages, there will be plenty of trails and views for everyone. It is very close to the Sawgrass Grove area. Instead of building town squares like it has in the past, the villages seems to be headed toward these areas in retail and dining experiences. Citrus Grove will have immediate access to the Sawgrass Grove area, which will have several options. With the Zell Rec Center as the main attraction, the area will be centered around a golf theme. Zell is the name of the golf course designer that has been designing all the golf courses in the villages. McGrady's Restaurant and Pub will have outdoor entertainment. There's a putting course called the Clifton Cove Putting Course, which will have 18 holes to practice or play on, whichever you're choosing, along with your typical amenities like pools, clubs, shuffleboard, all of those types of things. Probably the best thing about the area, in my opinion, is going to be the Sawgrass Grove Market. This is something that you can't get anywhere else currently in the villages. It's an indoor market with a farmer's market feel, so they're going to have local vendors come and sell probably, produce or crafts, arts and crafts. I'm sure we'll see a lot of the local residents and from the surrounding area actually doing a lot of that. Now, this area that you're looking at here is the Southern Oaks Championship Golf Course. It's split up. Front nine, back nine are equal. 3 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s, pars, obviously. So this is the western side of Bexley Trail, and I will actually show you the eastern side. The eastern side is pretty much completed. I think they're waiting for the grass to grow in, which you'll see. You can see it right across the street there, and we're going to fly over it. There we go. So you can see a lot of the grass still needs to be filled in, but you can definitely see the layout of the course. The course looks like it's going to be beautiful, like all the other courses in the villages. They do have a map out of which holes are going to be what par, but it's going to be even on the front nine and on the back nine, and pretty much look the same except for flip-flopped. I don't know if it's going to look the same, but just like 3 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s. And then you have the Citrus Grove housing area itself. Now, we're looking from the north to the south across the Florida Turnpike. That's that road going left and right across your screen. And that's the Bexley, where the Bexley Bridge will be, right where that cattle bridge is now. There's your little golf course check-in and all that stuff right there that you can see. We're going to spin around that. Kind of like a little clubhouse area. None of this area is open yet. Not a whole lot going on right now other than landscaping. And then I'm going to show you the Citrus Grove housing area, which is in the background right there. But I wanted to show you some of the landscaping from the Southern Oaks Golf Course first. They said that they weren't going to build any more championship courses, and then I think they needed them, but this is definitely one that was worth the wait. It's going to be super nice, and it's just north of the Turnpike, and they're supposed to be building 2 more on the southern side of the Turnpike, right across from the bridge, or right across from this area, I guess, south of the medical area that they're partnering up with UF. I did a video on that, just a few days ago. So a couple bridges going over the water. I didn't see any alligators in the waters yet. I'm sure we'll see those soon. You typically do in these bodies of water. And then now we're headed north, and this is the Citrus Grove area. Citrus Grove, the housing area bumps right up to St. Catherine, so all of the houses you see are not Citrus Grove. Some of them are St. Catherine, and then this is the rec center that we talked about earlier. And that's the Azell Rec Center in the Sawgrass Grove area. Now we're flipping around and looking south. This is Bexley Trail that's going to go straight over the turnpike. You can see they're building the golf court or the golf cart paths there as well. And then the actual Citrus Grove housing area here. So all these houses are Citrus Grove. They are going to be just to the west of the new areas, Newell, Denham, and Dabney. And I mean, you can see the houses, you know how it is in the villages. A lot of the houses are super close together, but they're coming together. This area has been built up rather quickly. I'd say a couple months. I was just looking back at my videos the other day. I didn't realize it's already been over a month since I did St. Catherine last time, so I have to do one of those. This is actually the smaller, like where you would pick up your mail for Citrus Grove. They still have the shuffleboard, cornhole, and just a little community pool there. And then you see the housing. There are going to be villas in here. Right now they're just selling land. No houses yet. According to one of my friends, I just asked one of my friends if they were selling houses in there yet, and he said no. And I tried to get some pricing in this area, and there wasn't a whole lot available. So you can see how they start them and how they finish them and lay the foundation. And this is an overview here. So up until Megason there, that's Citrus Grove, and then north of Megason, which is that road running left or right across the middle of your screen there, north of that is St. Catherine. And then to the right of this, which is to the east, will be Newell, Denham, and Dabney. Another nice area, a lot of walking trails and riding trails that they're putting in there. Fantastic views. A lot of people talk or ask, I should say, about the turnpike noise and highway noise. Honestly, I've been out here so many times getting videos, and it's not even noticeable to me. I would just say personal preference. I have not noticed it overwhelming or anything like that. So I would say if you're interested in this area, definitely go look at it in person and don't listen to what anybody says about it, but definitely check it out. As always, I appreciate you watching the videos, and I will see you in the next one.